Hi and welcome to my channel. So by the title of the video you guys might have already understood that what this video is going to be about. And yes, it is my college move-in vlog, and as many of you have already asked me a lot of dozens of times that which college are you joining or which college have you joined already. Today I am going to give you a whole dedicated video of which college I have joined. It is IIM Raipur. And today I am sitting in their hostel, and it is my hostel room, and this is the beautiful window behind me, and it's always raining here. So it's been about 15 days that I have come here, and out of 15 I guess 10 days it's raining. Yeah, it's quite nice here. This video that I am going to share today is all about my college move-in and the initial 10 days or 15 days that I have been here around, and it's moving around that only.
Under the seat in front of you. Please take your seats and keep the aisle free for a quick departure. Thank you.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Before going forward into the video, let me introduce you to our partner for this video, that is Physics Wallah. So if you are preparing for CAT 2025 and want to know where to study from or where to take mentorship from, then Physics Wallah can help you a lot with it. Many Physics Wallah students are placed to good IIMs this year, and next it can be you. There are two batches that you can look forward to, that is first MBA Ignite 2025 batch. So if you want to prepare from the foundation or the basic level, then you can go for this batch here. This batch will give you live or recorded classes with unlimited views, complete coverage of QA, VARC and LRDI, daily practice problems with faculty video solutions, 20 plus mock test and 24/7 doubt support. And yes, now coming to the second batch that you might look into it is MBA Pro batch. In this, you will get all the benefits of Ignite batch and Elite batch, complete access to all upcoming CAT 2025 batches, offline books, infinite practice questions, PW special khazana, best lectures, best tips and tricks all in one place, access to one past test series along with mentorship session. No shortcuts, no excuses, only results. And one important thing, if you want to get special discount of 500, please use my code ANY500 and get special 500 off on all your purchases. Link is in description and check the courses now.
name is Sunny Kumar. I'm studying in IIM Raipur class. Please don't upload this. I will be very embarrassed. मैं तो सही
फाइनली मैं अपनी वीडियो में आ गई.
ऑरेंज और येलो की टीम ग्राउंड में आए. विक्रम बॉलिंग पे आए हैं और विवेक बैट्समैन. हेलो, अरे हाय.
हाय बोलो गाइस, आप लोग मेरे ब्लॉग में आ रहे
हो. हम जस्ट अभी MBA के एक रोल नंबर को साइन ऑफ करवा के आए हैं.
हाय
हाय.
गरंज, सी हाय.
नहीं बोलेगा.
यार जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. अरे चल ना. Your followers will see me, right?
Yeah.
I'm Ajay Nanda from Chennai. Instagram J_13.
I know it's very late to post this college moving vlog or the announcement at which college I'm joining, but trust me, when you join a Bschool, a bundle of tasks you have been bombarded with, and for the last 15 days all the people here are like we are not getting enough of sleep. So editing a video or shooting a video is a big thing for me. So today I've got some time free after 15 days, so I'm recording a video, and because it was already in plan, many of the clips were already being taken, but I had to sum up or give a gist about what the video is, so I have to record for myself, and that was very big task for me to have this recording thing. I hope I get time for another videos too. Let's see what will be the frequency, and yeah.
Share and subscribe.
subscribe.
Yes.
Not
ये लगता हमेशा ऐसा ही है.